How to create a pet care gadgets online store. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this new tutorial, we will be using Squarespace, which is a website builder, a well-known website builder. So this is the main page of the website. We just click on get started and or you log in if you don't have an account yet, and you will proceed to see all the templates that are available in the website, the pre-made templates. Should just wait a little bit to be loaded, and when it's loaded you will be able to see all the templates, and you will be able to choose from the templates that are available in the website. And here you can choose the type of your of your website, if it's an online store, portfolio, scheduling, one page, or services, or its topic. As you can see here, just scroll down to see if you can find a good template that matches our niche, which is pet care gadgets. So just scroll down and search if you'll find a good template, and you can always create your template from scratch by this one. You just click on this one, and it's a blank template where you can create your own template from scratch. So let's go with nature and animals to see the templates that matches our desire. So here we have this one, which is a good one. Let's see if we can find another one also. So I think I'm going to use this one. It's very good. I think it will suit me. So let's go with this one. You can always preview the template by clicking on preview. You just wait for it a little bit to be loaded. So this is the template. You can also view the demo site by clicking on view demo site, and you can see the template in full. So this is the template. As you can see, this is some accessories, another accessories of gadgets. So it's a good template. It's very catchy, as you can see, with the colors and all. It just needs a little bit of adjustments and changing the text, and your template will be ready for selling and receiving customers. So let's go back and let's get started with this template. Start with Weasley, which is the name of the template. You wait for things to be set up, and then you will proceed to choosing a title for your site. You can always change the title. So it requires to give it a title in the beginning, but don't worry, you can always change the title later or anytime you want. So I'm going to give it Pitikaji, and click on continue, next, and next. Then you click on get started, and then you will be good to go to adjust your website or your online store. So here you can see the PC template or the laptop view, and here you can see the mobile view. As you can see, it needs a little adjustments in the mobile view, just to change how the things are set up. So let's go back to the desktop view, and here you can see this website. You can click on website section and you will be able to see the pages. If you want to change the pages or add new pages from this plus button, or change the ones that already exist, or if you want to delete one of them. And this is some other pages, and here you have the website tools. If you want to add your custom CSS code or code injections and so on. So let's go back, and here you have the commerce section that we will see in a little bit. So by clicking on edit, it will take you to a page where you can edit your template, but by just drag and drop, which is a very easy process. Just you can drag and drop sections or delete the sections or add blocks. So you can change everything you want just by dragging and dropping. And you can also remove this section from here, or you can move it down, change the place of the section. You can add blocks and you can change the text by clicking on the text. So you can change the text from here, as you can see. You can also change the color of the color of the text, sorry, or the background color. Or if you want to make it look like a quote, or if you want also to delete the text. So it's pretty easy to adjust the website. You can also change the headline, the header of the website. As you can see, you can change the logo, elements and style, or if you want it to be fixed, or if you want it to move video by scrolling. So you can change all the different things, as you can see. And also you can change the footer of the website. This one you can change also the footer. So you can play with all these adjustments, and when you're done, you click on save, and all your edits will be saved. Then you click on exit to exit the adjusting place, and here you can go to website. If you want to set some things, so you click on website and you will see the pages, and you can go back, and here you can access the marketing area or settings if you want to set your payments, your payment gateways. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea about Squarespace. So I hope you like the video. Subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.